It's pretty simple. All it is right now is a acrylic or plastic box, and we have two solenoids. Here we have a solenoid here that is basically going to represent our inhale. It's going to push the bag down. And then we have a solenoid, a larger solenoid valve attached here that will represent the exhale. It will allow the air to escape. And here we have air. Actually, we have compressed air coming from our lab, but we can also use the compressed air at the hospital. And you just hook it up. You have a pressure meter, so you control your pressure, and that is going to come into our inhalation valve, and then it's going to pressurize this chamber, causing the bag to deflate and push the air into our lung, essentially here. And then when we want to release it, we will open up this valve. So let's watch how it works. We use a very simple little electronics and a simple Raspberry Pi controller. We have a little GUI here. We're going to do about 40 cycles just so you can check it out, and you can choose your inhalation and exhalation time. Right now we can look at both of those, but we can also make it so we can input the breaths per minute as well. So let's go ahead and ventilate our patient. So as you can see, we are inhaling, bam, and we're exhaling. We are inhaling, exhaling, and as we're inhaling, our lung is inflating, and as we're exhaling, our patient is breathing. So you can go ahead, and we have our little light here that's going to tell us when we're inhaling green and when we're exhaling for red. And again, this is very simple electronics. We can control the breaths per minute with our pressure sensor. We can control the volume going through. And we can even control how long we're inhaling for, how long we're waiting for. We can kind of control all of these parameters pretty easily. And this is all very cheap. The other thing I forgot to mention is here we have a safety release valve, so that in case for some reason something goes on and we're inflating too much, it will pop off, release the pressure, and no harm done. So yes.
Great.
We are continuing to breathe.
Okay.
And here our GUI is running. It's actually measuring our temperature and pressure. Right now our pressure sensor is outside, and at each inhale and exhale, what we're going to make is we'll make the GUI actually plotting the pressure that the patient is receiving for each inhale and exhale, so that the doctors can look at how they are breathing as well.
Okay.